So it's possible to grow long hair irrespective of a condition you have, unless you have the right knowledge. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. In today's video, we are using very common ingredients like pawpaw leaves and other ingredients I'll be mentioning as the video goes on to make a powerful hair growth spray you can use on your hair every day or every other day to grow your hair. So the three ingredients I'll be using is pawpaw leaves, cashew leaves, and also rosemary leaves. These are common ingredients. Like, you don't have to be specific about getting everything at the same time. Yes. So why am I using cashew leaves, pawpaw leaves, and then rosemary leaves to grow my hair? Cashew leaves are so beneficial. They have anti-aging properties that is able to, maintain the color of your hair. You are able to see that your hair is still maintaining its original black color. That's if you have a black color, it's able to maintain it. I like cashew leaves because it also makes your hair very smooth. These are common plants you can get in your home or you can get from a neighbor's house or something. It also helps in anti-graying. If you're having some gray hairs, using cashew leaves is something that is able to help you. It also helps in dealing with dandruff. If you're having dandruff on your hair, using cashew leaves can also help you greatly. My next ingredient is papaya leaves. I've shown a couple of videos on this channel where I use pawpaw leaves for hair growth, and people were really amazed. Yes, pawpaw leaves can be used to grow your hair. If you are having challenges with your hair, you can use pawpaw leaves. It is when you combine pawpaw leaves with other natural ingredients like what you are seeing here, the combination is able to do very well. One day I'll do a pawpaw leaves mask for us to see how it feels like. But then for now, let's make this hair tea. So because I'll not be boiling it, I try my best to mash it inside my hand so that it's easy for the juice to infuse into the hot water. Yeah, so you don't have to boil it. I mean, you can boil it, but if you don't have access to water, I'm just trying to show you a very easy way you can do this with just hot water. So my final ingredient, or my last but not least ingredient, is rosemary. Guys, rosemary even came into my mind later after I added these two. I was like, why don't I add rosemary to boost it? And then I went in for my rosemary. So you could tell that I added the water before finally adding rosemary. It's because I was later an idea that came into my mind at the last moment, and I don't regret it because this felt so good. Like, if you're having scalp itchiness, use this treatment. You'll be so much impressed with the results. Yes, you all know that rosemary has been tested in the lab and it's been proven that it's able to regrow bald hair. You have to be consistent, and I'm emphasizing on it. You have to be consistent. Natural hair takes time, and it also gives long-lasting solutions. So because of that, the price to pay is consistency. When you're consistent, you really enjoy this whole process. So when you're done, just cover it for about 2 hours because pawpaw leaves and cashew leaves need some time more to infuse. So just cover it for a few hours and then you are ready to use it. Yes. So why am I using this as a scalp spray? I like to use natural ingredients to protect my scalp because our scalp is where our hair grows from. And if your scalp is not healthy, your hair growth is going to be some way, yada, all that. But then if your scalp is healthy, you are going to be so impressed at how your hair grows. Like, the root of your hair is going to be so healthy that you'll be so much amazed. Like, so much amazed. So after the desired time, after you realize that there's a color change, it's now time to strain your water out of the treatment. I mean, it's now time to strain your water. Straining the water is compulsory. And here you could tell that I forgot to put a strainer on it. Like, I totally forgot before I saw that there were some rosemary leaves in this, so I had to, restrain it because I don't want the rosemary leaves getting stuck in my hair. I also don't want it getting stuck in the spray bottle, so I had to restrain it so that I can use it on my hair. So if this happens to you, please restrain it, else it can get stuck in your spray bottle and it will damage your spray bottle. So please strain it well before using it on your hair. But if you don't mind rosemary leaves be hanging in your hair, that's also totally fine. Now my hairspray is ready. This can be a scalp rinse, meaning you can use it on your scalp after you shampoo your hair. It's totally fine. So now here is my hair, and we're getting ready to moisturize my hair. My hair is a bit moisturized. It's not very dry as sometimes it used to be. This one is very well moisturized. I just wanted to spray it on my scalp and to feed my scalp with some nutrients. So that's how come I'm spraying it. You could tell that I'm not really doing much like unraveling it and putting it inside. I'm just spraying it on the scalp so that it just gets to my scalp. Yes, do all to massage your hair, because massaging the hair is what promotes hair growth. When you massage your hair, you'll be amazed at the result. My sister is always saying, your hair is very black, your hair is very black. I'm like, yeah, of course. Who uses DIY? Who uses natural ingredients? Who uses herbs? Yes, this color is my actual hair color. My hair is very, very black, and even though I don't have very dense hair, my hair is really, really black, and I love it so much. I so much fall in love with my hair every time I moisturize it. Yes. So as you can see, I always try to focus on the ends as well. Please don't want to focus on your ends, because your ends can break easily if it's not really well moisturized. Guys, this is how I moisturize my hair with pawpaw leaves, rosemary leaves, and also cashew leaves. They are very, very beneficial for your hair. Follow up with your hair oil or your hair butter if you want, so that it's able to retain the moisture. That's if your hair is not already moisturized. My hair was already moisturized, so there was no need for me to follow up with the butter, but I think I added a little bit of butter, just to make it more better. I'll be ending here for today. If this is the first time you stopped by the channel, please do well to subscribe. I share simple DIYs on how you can grow your hair. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this point, comment your name and I'll send you a link to join my free webinar. Bye.